Hello and welcome back to my channel. We all have struggled with maintaining network database in Excel sheets, and we all know how bad it turns out to be after a while. Netbox is a free yet comprehensive IP address management and data center infrastructure management tool that can be used as a fabled single source of truth for storing information about our networks, VMs, and even useful inventory items such as racking, power, and cabling. I'm not a Linux guru, but I'm learning it just like you guys, hence, I had spent a lot of time in installing and reinstalling, or I would say, trying to install Netbox several times in a virtual machine for testing it. I took a snapshot of the Ubuntu image and kept on trying several methods which I found online until I found the one which actually works. You guys can try it too. So let's get started. And here we go, the moment of truth. So as you can see, I can open it in my web browser in my Ubuntu box, and let's see if I can log into it. We'll use our usual Netbox and admin123, and wow, we are actually able to log into the server now. So let's try something more. What I will try now, so let me do something. I will, yeah. So here it is. This is my host machine, host Windows machine under which I've installed it. So let's see if I can ping this Ubuntu VM, and bingo, we can actually ping it. So let's try to open the Netbox from our host system. So this is my host system. I'll just use the same IP, and bam, there you go. So you can see now that I'm able to log in also. I'll just use the same credential and log in. So I'm able to now browse through the website, which the Netbox UI. This is the GUI, and it's completely blank right now because it doesn't have any data right now in it, but we will have to manually add all the data that is relevant to our data center, and I'm really looking to put this forward in the production environment. As you can see, you can also try hands-on once you get it installed in your system. And so guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I've done a lot of research, I struggled a lot, I spent a lot of time trying to fix things which was there. I tried to use a documentation which did not completely help me out, so I took out the time to help you guys. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you guys in the next one.